question, Rabbi. If someone contacts us needing help with rent, but others tells us he's a liar and a fraud who scams people, are we forbidden to believe the claims about them and forbidden to turn a blind eye to the poor, or are we forbidden to send money to unknown recipients and the Reshaim?
So that's what happened actually with this clown, right? They start using my name, right? And said then a few people called me. I don't know, it was a year ago or whenever was it, and said thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you. I said opportunity for what? Yeah, no, for Tzedakah. For Tzedakah. So and then another text. Is this guy real? Did you authorize this guy to collect? So this person. So he was using my name, and said that he's in our learning group, and he wasn't he was on WhatsApp group. So he signed up for WhatsApp group, got all of the. I'm not sure. Maybe he watched a video or two, right? And got all of the names and started calling people. Yeah, he said, look, we're on the same WhatsApp group, right? Right, and some people, few people gave, unfortunately, and but I got 3 or 4 or 5 text messages. If I know that person, and of course I said it's a scam, and we make a poster and announce him, and Rabbi Rubenschlitt announced, other people announce him. It's a very famous scammer. Understand? So are we allowed to since it's very, very popular, and even when you need to wire somebody money, or for example, I had to send somebody money via MoneyGram. Every time they ask me, even though this person is in my contact list, right? So it's every time is ask me, is it telemarketing, if this and that, do I know that person, am I aware of the scammers, because the world full of scammers. If you're going to send, we're not going to able to recover all of this warning. I have to click yes, and I don't know whom I am sending. So basically, why would they ask? The same with my bank account. If I trying to add the new recipient, right? Whatever I had to send somebody money, for one of the bills, right? So they say, are you aware of the scammers? Why? Because there are many scammers. So if somebody said that this person is not real, so don't give him, right? If you want to do investigation, yeah, you can do an investigation. So, but until investigation finished, you're not obligated to give just anybody, right? Because why you stranded in the all of these thieves. Maybe if nobody gives him, maybe he's going to get a job, regular job, 9 to 5. Right? But if people give him left and right, and this guy was saying, yeah, I need the money. I'm struggling with my mortgage. I'm going to be kicked out from my apartment. All these crazy things. So not obligated, basically.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.